Nā mai koutou, ko Macy ahau. I'm Macy.
And more today, Winton School. Ko Hannah ahau. I'm Hannah.
Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for the 24th of August.
Time for a joke.
What goes white, black, white, black, white, black?
What does, Macy?
A penguin rolling down the hill.
What goes black, white and laughing?
What does, Hannah?
The penguin that pushed him.
Right on to kupu or te Oreti. This week's word is Oreti.
Who is in Oreti house? I am.
On to health and safety news.
The signs are out. Make sure you look out. The grass is muddy. We don't want you grubby.
On to today's notices.
Can the Winton Flexi Flyers team meet Mrs Flack in the hall at morning tea? It's your turn to practice. We will see you there.
Watties Cans for good promotion is on. Watties Cans can be dropped off at the office. Next week, the school council will be making some sort of sculpture with all the cans that have been brought in.
Could all year 4 to 8 Kapahaka children meet in room 13 at morning tea today? On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Jake in room 10, who has a birthday today.
Happy birthday to Brooklyn in room 12, who has a birthday today.
Happy birthday to Stella in room 10 and Alicia in room 13, who both have birthdays tomorrow.
Happy birthday to Pooh Roller in room 5, who has a birthday on Sunday.
There's one more we need to celebrating this week. And does anyone know whose birthday it could be?
It's Rere's! A huge happy birthday for Rere, who is turning 6 tomorrow.
Yay! Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Hannah! There's a lot of words down here. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo.
Harira, and see you next week, Winton School.